Luis Concepcion as a boxer, what kind of anong klaseng boxer or type of style ang makikita natin dito? I think medyo mag-iiba to kasi si Kenneth Leber lately parang ang bibilis ng mga laban niya. I do not know kung ganitong klase ipapakita nitong Luis Concepcion eh.
Posible.
Veteran
Posible. Oo, veteran siya. You know, he is a come forward fighter. He stands at, upon checking, medyo mababa to eh. He's 5'2".
5'2".
So, Kenneth Leber will have the height and reach advantage. Wala namang ibang alam eh. Kung papanoorin mo lahat ng yung mga naging previous fights on Concepcion, isa lang naman ang, nito eh, ang dikta ng laban nito. He comes forward and he throws wild punches, all kinds of punches. Puro power. And, you know, ang style kasi nito, come forward, pero nakababa ang kamay.
Nako, recipe for disaster to. Parang pang-highlight reel talagang
Recipe for disaster, pero you also have to say, you also have to think na it also worked for him in the past. Diba? Kasi by having his hands down, makikita mo sa mga previous fights niya, he tends to invite his opponents to brawl. And ganun ang gagawin